Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the tool version and the host operating system so you know what features and bugs apply. Next, you collect the exact failing image and copy the error message. This gives diagnostic clues. Once done, enable verbose or debug logging in the tool and save the console output to a file so you can trace execution. Make sure to note recent changes, library updates, permission changes, or configuration edits before you move to repair steps. You now validate the image itself by checking checksums and confirming file headers and format compatibility so the file isn't corrupt. Then run the tool against a known good image to isolate whether the problem is environmental or file-specific. After that, examine permissions, missing libraries, or ABI mismatches, reinstall or pin dependencies if necessary. Once done, reproduce the error with debug logs enabled and compare outputs. This tells you whether to patch the tool. You finish by applying the targeted fix. Patch the tool, re-encode the image to a supported container, or correct file and directory permissions. Choose the minimal change that fixes the root cause. Then rerun the operation in a clean environment and confirm the tool reads the image and produces expected output, and update your changelog or ticket with the resolution. If it still fails, use an alternate reader or collect the logs and error samples to send to support for deeper analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.